Meet the Puri Instant Hot and Cold Water Dispenser, designed for everyday convenience at home. For better performance, you can soak the filter in clean water for a few minutes. Before first use, rinse the activated carbon filter under cold running water. Install the filter, fill the tank with clean tap water, and place it back into the machine. Press the cooling button, and the blue icon will start flashing. During the first use, the cooling system takes about 50 minutes to reach the set temperature. When the blue icon stays solid, cold water is ready. Select your drinking mode: tea, coffee, or boiling water. Choose the cup size that fits your drink. Tap the temperature keys for +5C steps, or hold the drink button for precise +1C adjustments. For a better brewing temperature, pre-warm your cup with the first few seconds of hot water. Press dispensing to start. The soft night light helps at night, and the child lock adds extra safety.